In question number 11, the diagram shows part of the curve with the equation y equals to x cubed minus 2bx squared plus b squared x and the line OA where A is the maximum point on the curve. The x-coordinate of A is A and the curve has a minimum point at b comma 0 where A and b are positive constants. In part A, we have to show that b equals to 3a. Now, as A is the maximum point on the curve, we know that the dy dx at this point will be 0. So the equation is y equals to x cubed minus 2bx squared plus b squared x. So first finding the dy dx. So the dy dx will be equals to 3x squared minus 4bx plus b squared. As the derivative of x is 1, so it will only be b squared. Now we'll substitute 0 in place of dy dx, and this equation will be 3x squared minus 4bx plus b squared. Now the x coordinate at the maximum point is a, so we can write this equation as 3a squared minus 4ab plus b squared equals to 0. Factorizing this equation, we'll get 3a squared minus 3ab plus minus ab plus b squared equals to 0. Taking 3a common, we'll get this will become a minus b, and taking b common over here, we'll get a minus b equals to 0. Simplifying this, we'll get a minus b and 3a minus b equals to 0. So the values will be, one of them will be a equals to b, and one of the values will be 3a equals to b. So as it is 3a minus b equals to 0, so we can take b on the other side and write it as b equals to 3a. Now, one of the values a equals to b we already have, which is the maximum point, and the other point will be where b will be equals to 3a. So we had to prove b equals to 3a. So here we have that b will be equals to 3a. In part B, it says that show that the area of the shaded region between the line and the curve is Ka to the power 4, where K is a fraction to be found. Now, to find the area of the shaded region, first we can find the area under the curve with the limits a and 0, and then find the area of this triangle OA and the point that is intersecting on the x-axis. So first finding the area of the triangle, we know that the base is A, and to find the height, we'll have to substitute x equals to A. So the equation of the curve is y equals to x cubed minus 2bx squared plus b squared x. Now we know that the value of x is A, so substituting A over here, we'll get y will be equals to a cube minus, and as we know that b is equals to 3a, so in place of b, we can write 3a into a squared, and this will become 3a whole squared times, and x is 8. So y will be equals to a cube minus this will become 6a cube plus, so this will become 9a squared into a, so that will become a 9a cube. Simplifying this, we'll get a 1 minus 6 minus 5 minus 5 plus 9, so that will be equals to, so that will be equals to 4a cube. Once we have the height of the triangle, which will be 4a cube, so the area of the triangle will be equals to 1 upon 2 into base, which was a, and the height, which is 4a cube. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So the area of the triangle will become 4a to the power 4. Now to find the area under the curve, so we'll integrate the equation of the curve and we'll use the limits as a and 0. So the equation of the curve is x cubed minus 2bx squared plus b squared x. And we write a dx when we are integrating, and the limit in this case will be a and 0. So in the first step, integrating this, so integrating x cubed, that will become x to the power 4 upon 4 minus this will become 2bx cubed to the upon 3. This will become b squared. So this, the x will increase by 1, the power of x will increase by 1. This will become x squared upon 2. Now we can substitute in place of b. We know that b is equals to 3a. So we can first write x to the power 4 upon 4 minus. So this will become 6ax cubed upon 3. And this will become, so substituting 3a up here, that will become 9a squared. So just directly writing 9a squared over here, we get 9a squared x squared upon 2. Now substituting the value of x, so the upper limit is a, so this will become a to the power 4 upon 4 minus, so this will cancel out, we'll get 2a and x is a, so this will become a cube, so this will become 2a to the power 4, and this will become plus 9 upon 2, and x squared, so this will become a to the power 4, as x is a. Now, when we substitute x equals to 0 over here in all of these three terms, it will become a 0, so we can leave it as it is. Now, simplifying this first, taking the LCM over here, so the LCM is 4. Simplifying this, we'll get, so this will be 4, and this will become a to the power 4 minus, this will multiply by 4, so this will become minus 8a to the power 4, and this will multiply by 2, so that will become plus 18a to the power 4. So 1 minus 8 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 8 will become 11. So the area under the curve is 11a power 4 upon 4. And once we have the area under the curve, which is 11a to the power 4 upon 4, we can find the difference to find the shaded area. So the area of the shaded region will be the area under the curve, which was 11a to the power 4 upon 4 minus, and the area under the triangle was 4a to the power 4. So this would have been 2. This is a 2 up here. So this will be 2a to the power 4. So 11a to the power 4 minus 2a to the power 4. So taking the LCM, 11. So this will become 4 times 2, 8. So 11 minus 8 will become 3. So the answer will be 3a to the power 4 upon 4. And as we had to give our answer in terms of k, a4, where k is a fraction, so the value of k in this case will be 3 upon 4.